What is up, you guys? I'm Jason Arland, and today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. So if you like this or wanna know how to get this one, keep on watching. So I'm gonna use the WHEELIE eyeliner as my eyebrow product. The applicator just gives me those thin strokes of hair that looks basically natural, and then it's just so easy to get that perfect carve. Next, I'm gonna take the Total Makeover FF Cream Foundation palette in the shade medium, and I'm gonna go and carve my brows using the flat brush. So I'm gonna use the Chiselet, the contouring brown color from the Showstopper palette. Gonna go and just do the windshield wiper motion and start carving and blending and defining my crease. Next, I'm gonna take the Picture Perfect All I Need Eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go straight with this bombshell color. I'm gonna take it on my finger and just pat it on my lids. Next, I'm gonna just blend the edges with a transition shade so it looks like a nice smoked out vibe. It's time to even out your skin and to add foundation and concealer. Next, I'm gonna use the medium shade just to highlight on my inner corners of my eyes, the arch of my brows, and everywhere that I basically want more light and coverage. I'm gonna cook and set my face using the Glow to Glam powder by MyGlamm. I'm using the translucent white shade on my damp beauty blender. And I'm just gonna go wherever I don't want creases and to be set. It's time to add some color on your lower lash lines. I'm gonna jump back to the Chiselet palette in the shade Showstopper and go with the same bronze color, which was a transition shade. And I'm gonna use Smoky QUARTZ from Powder Magic just to add some color on my lower lash line, the same way Kylie would do. Next, I'm gonna just add some highlight on my inner corners using the same palette that we started from, but with the gold shade. I'm gonna use the Threesome mascara to do that. I'm just gonna give my lashes the illusion of wearing falsies without wearing falsies, just using the Threesome mascara. So I'm gonna use the Chiselet Palette Showstoppers blush, and I'm gonna mix it with my highlighter. Kylie loves to put the blush on her apples, on her nose, and also like on the temples of her forehead. I'm gonna just jump into the highlighter. I'm gonna use a rosé color from BUTTERLICIOUS, and Kylie is known for her lips. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos. Hit it!